Surface area, extension 1. The greenhouse sells two sizes of garden beds. The small garden bed, shown here, is a scale reduction of the large garden bed, shown here. What is the difference between the exterior surface of the large garden bed and the small garden bed? Step 1. Find the surface area of the large garden bed. There are 5 sides. Include the bottom, but not the top. There's a front, a back, a left side, a right side, and the bottom. We'll use a graphic organizer to solve. Start by drawing the first rectangle. That'll be our front side, 135 centimeters by 24 centimeters. This rectangle includes the front and the back, so the number will be 2. Area equals length times width. Area equals 135 times 24. So the area is 3,240. There's 2, so multiply that by 2. And we get a total area of 6,480 centimeters squared. Now we'll do the bottom of the garden bed. 135 centimeters by 33 centimeters. This rectangle represents just the bottom, so there's only 1. Area equals length times width. Area equals 135 times 33. So the area equals 4,455. And there's just one of them. So the answer will be 4,455 centimeters squared. The last shape will be the side, which will be 33 by 24. And there's a left side and a right side, so the number will be multiplied by 2. Area equals length times width. Area equals 33 times 24. The area equals 792. Multiply that by 2. And we get a total area of 1,584 centimeters squared. To find the total, we'll add up the totals of all the shapes. 6,480 plus 4,455 plus 1,584 gives us a total of 12,519 centimeters squared. This will be the surface area of the large garden bed. Step 2. Find the surface area of the small garden bed. There are 5 sides. Include the bottom, but not the top. Front, back, left side, right side, and the bottom. Again, we'll use a graphic organizer to solve. Our first rectangle will be the first front side, which is 90 by 16 centimeters. There's a front and a back of this shape, so the number will be 2. Area equals length times width. Area equals 90 times 16, so the area will be 1,440. There's 2, so multiply that number by 2, and we get a total area of 2,880 centimeters squared. Now we'll do the bottom. Draw a rectangle. The dimensions are 90 by 22. It's just the bottom and not the top, so there's only 1. Area equals length times width. Area equals 90 times 22. So the area is 1,980. Since there's 1, this is the total, 1,980 centimeters squared. And we have the sides, which are 22 by 16. There's a left side and a right side, so there'll be 2. Area equals length times width. Area equals 22 times 16. The area will be 352. Multiply that number by 2 as there's 2 sides, and we get a total area of 704 centimeters squared. To find the total, we'll add those 3 totals up. 2,880 plus 1,980 plus 704 gives us a total of 5,564 centimeters squared, which is the surface area of the small garden bed. Step 3, find the difference, which means to subtract, between the exterior surface of the large garden bed and the small garden bed. The surface area of the large garden bed was 12,519 centimeters squared. We're going to find the difference, so we'll subtract. The surface area of the small garden bed, which is 5,564 centimeters squared. And this will give us a total of 6,955 centimeters squared. That is the difference between the 2 garden beds.